Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Surah Al Imran, ayat number 164. Beautiful Quran and Quran translation. We should recite Quran daily and we should understand Quran at daily basis, and we should spread the Quran translation everywhere. So we should keep in touch with Quran and Quran translation. Subscribe, press bell button for our new video updates. Like and share for Sadqa Jariya. And we teach Quran online. Number is in description below. So Allah says, certainly did Allah conferred great favor upon the believers when He sent among them a messenger from themselves, reciting to them His verses and purifying them and teaching them the book, the Quran, and wisdom, although they had been before in manifest error. दर हकीकत अहले ईमान पर तो अल्लाह ने ये बहुत बड़ा एहसान किया है कि उनके दरमियान ख़ुद उन्हीं में से एक ऐसा पैगंबर उठाया जो इसकी आयात उन्हें सुनाता है, उनकी ज़िंदगियों को संवारता है और